Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to increase voice chat volume in Roblox in Windows 11 PC. If you're struggling to hear other players clearly, these steps will help boost their voices. Let's begin. Step 1. First, check Roblox's in-game volume settings. Click the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Settings. Scroll down to the volume slider and increase it. While this affects all game sounds, it's the primary way to adjust voice chat volume within Roblox itself. Step 2. Next, adjust Windows Volume Mixer settings. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Locate Roblox in the application list and increase its volume slider. This gives you more precise control than the in-game options. Step 3. Finally, remember that Roblox uses proximity-based voice chat. Move closer to players you want to hear better, as distance affects volume. If all else fails, ask friends to speak louder or check their microphone settings. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tech solutions.